Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to Hostinger website builder. So the first thing you need to do is just log in your Hostinger account. So just go to Hostinger website and then enter your username and password to log in your account. After this, in dashboard, select the website you have created using the Hostinger website builder. Now in the website builder dashboard, look for an option like setting or the domain settings. There should be a labeled section labeled called connect domain or the domain management. So if you have purchased the domain through Hostinger, you will see an option to select it directly. But if you have bought the domain from another provider, choose the option to connect an external domain. Enter the domain name you want to connect. If domain is from another registrar, you need to update its DNS settings to point to Hostinger service server. So log in your domain provider account, go to the DNS setting and then update the name servers to Hostinger name servers, and these are the name servers of Hostinger, so simply update them to this one. And then alternatively, Hostinger may provide specific IP address to use for a record, so simply keep in mind that if you have they provide specific IP address, simply create a record and then point that to they provided IP addresses. DNS DNS change usually take a few hours, but it can take up to 48 hours to domain to fully connect. 48 hours for domain to fully connect, and then you can go back to your Hostinger website builder dashboard and confirm that your domain is connected. You see a message indicating a successful connection once the domain is live. So that is how you can connect your domain to Hostinger website builder. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.